So we're now going to talk about adapting your product for the US market. In this section, we're going to look at practical tips and take some reflections from a small, medium-sized enterprise on serving the US customer and growing their business. So could I ask you to introduce yourself and your company?
My name is John Penate, and I'm representing Live Italy Tours based out of Rome, but we have tours all the way from Milan down the coast to the Amalfi Coast.
Thanks, that's fascinating. Look, we know travellers love authentic food and wine experiences, but in the future, can supply meet demand?
I think that the demand will continue to grow, and as supply grows, it will take a little while for it to catch up, but I think it won't take too long for the supply to meet the demand.
SMEs are the backbone of the economy in Europe. They represent 85% of all new jobs. So what should smaller suppliers know about the US customer to best adapt their products?
The American consumer has this beautiful image, this wondrous thinking about what Italy is and what it should be. And the food a lot of times is part of that. Sometimes though, because of what we think is Italian food here in the US, we go there and we get surprised in a very good way. So if anything, to focus on the differences between how American Italian food is being made and how real Italian food in Italy is being made, and find a bridge to make that palate connect.
So how can SMEs best reach US travel providers and consumers?
Well, of course, trying to find a vineyard themselves or a person who knows locally the knowledge of the food and the wine would be great. But if that is not something that they can do because they can't travel there, then finding a company such as Live Italy that can actually do that work for them and customize things based on their own needs. You know, marketing is very important. Social media is definitely the way to go, between Instagram and surprisingly even Facebook posts. But trying to find a local marketing agent would also be very, very helpful.
Thanks, that was really informative. We really appreciate your input.